Sarah?
Hi, nice to meet you.
And this Young.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so they're gonna do a demonstration today for our electric home saver.
This point is volt, then this point is ampere.
Okay.
Yeah. Two is the same, is power. Not using. Just a home that's not using. And
Once
the
you
nut
plug in,
of
it drops
the lamp,
the ampere
yeah.
to that low.
yeah, this point, this lose the, you can see.
Yes. Big time.
Yeah. One dot A3.
Oh wow!
80 amps.
Wow, 80 amps down. That's pretty
Yeah.
good.
And per amps is
Average is a lose power lose zero. 40%.
Wow.
Usual. Yeah. 20 or 40% lose electron.
That is so awesome.
And is turn off. Going up.
oh,
Yeah.
it goes up.
Going up is power.
So how do you connect that in the house? They're gonna install it.
You just install it. So right now, he has one right here. So
Yeah.
this is the actual one. You can hold it. And then what you can do is actually you
plug.
can plug it in there in one of the outlets. But we're not going to unplug it because we're doing a testing right now.
This is the only one that you
yeah.
have to plug in
Yeah.
any outlet inside the house. That's so awesome.
Because right now they have an
Yeah.
existing
Yeah.
installed.
Yeah.
And test it is finished.
Yeah.
Very easy.
Very easy. See?
That's awesome.
Great job. Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you.